Hi, this is Richard from Rich and Rules, and I hope you're okay and you're trying on with life. So my purpose here right now is just to guide you on something simple. Um, that is how to unlock hidden um, uh, spreadsheets in an Excel template that you've downloaded from the Uganda Revenue Authority URA website, and you want to put in information about your income and so on so that you can easily file your taxes. So let's assume that this is the template you've downloaded from the website, which is what it is, and you want to expose these spreadsheets which are hidden here. All you're seeing is return details. How are we going to do that? That is what I want to help you. Now, before you get to start the process of what is going to bring them up, make sure you punch in a TIN address, okay? The TIN address must have 10 digits, always remember that, okay? So it is 1, 1, 2, 3, 1000, let's say 6, 2, 8, 9, 7, 5, okay? Let's, are they 10 in number? Let's see, yeah, they are 10, okay. So you have punched in your TIN address, and then your return period, let's say, is going to be from 1st of July 2025, and the end financial year of your income tax non-individual return is, because it's a yearly income tax, is filed yearly, right? So you are going to punch in your return period, end return period, which is 30th of June of the next financial year, all right, which is 2026. But before you punch in that information, let's come to file. Now, unlike those days where you enable macros, here we are just coming to the info, where you just get to this point where we want to convert, to put it into compatibility mode by clicking convert here. When you click convert, it will ask you how you want to save the file, as you see there. So when you say that, you're going to punch in your information and say Rich, let's put it in a way that you can easily remember. If you don't, you will confuse it, and when you're filing your return, when you're uploading the document, you'll find you will end up uploading wrong information, like you see here. You may have many of these, and if you don't remember which one exactly it is, you end up uploading the wrong one to this tab. So always make sure you identify your file you want to upload. So we're going to save it onto the desktop, and of course there's already the Rich and Rules there. Let's replace it, okay? Let's say yes to that. So once you have done that, it gives you a caution. It tells you the name particular file, okay? Either conflicts with a valid range reference or something of that kind, okay? It is just a caution, and then you need to you still need to manually update any references. So this is how we're going to go about that. You either say okay to all or okay, whichever you prefer. There are many ways of killing a rat. So once you have done that, it is going to run it's going to generally do some bit of background checking and running of itself to give you your next stage and to tell you what to do next. So let's see what it's doing right now. Okay, there, an information has come for us to see from Microsoft Excel, and it's saying the workbook conversion to the current file format completed successfully. Okay, so once it has done that, then you can see what it's saying. Do you want to close and reopen the workbook now? If you say yes, you will see it will open the workbook with all the spreadsheets displayed. I hope you have learned that, or I hope you have followed me. If you haven't, just keep replaying the video and take it one step at a time. Otherwise, let's see what is happening right now. There you go. It's running. It is enabling the macros, and it is going to display there you are. You see all this? Now, what does it say? It says, please do not cut and paste any values in the sheet. You say okay to that. And once you've said okay, it has told you it is now ready. So you can see you are able to punch in all your information on your sales and so on, so that you can upload it onto the website for the tax officer. I'll teach you with more others. Catch me later on. Please like and share, and let's see how we can learn more.